In today's video, we are going to show you how to block pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox, which helps keep your browsing clean, safe, and distraction-free. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet. And I want you to hover to the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button on the top right corner. I want you to click the settings and then hover to the left side area where you can see the privacy and security. Now, hover down below where you can see the permissions. All right. And as you can see, you want to make sure that this is turned on or checked. The box is checked so that you can easily block pop-ups and third-party redirects. Okay. So this controls like tracking protection, permissions, and pop-ups. Let's say you have a specific website you trust and you want it to show pop-ups. You just have to click the exceptions bottom here and add the address of website. For example, this one. Okay. Click the save changes, and from here, you can simply add or remove websites and choose whether to allow or block pop-ups from them. And basically, that's how you block pop-ups in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.